This is a sample circuitry card that comes in your kit. The top one is paper circuitry, and here's a switch that completes the circuit. And then this is the same thing except it's sewing circuitry, which is with conductive thread. Wait, and this also completes the circuit. This is copper tape, battery light, and then this is conductive thread. All these materials are in your kit to prototype with.
A circuit is a closed loop that electrons can travel through. Unless the circuit is complete, that is, making a full circle back, the electrons will not move. An LED light, or a light-emitting diode, has two pins. One is longer than the other. The longer one is usually the positive one. A coin cell battery also has a positive and a negative side. The positive side is usually marked with a plus sign. You can test out your LED light before you build out your circuit by straddling your LED light with the positive pin touching the positive side of the battery and the negative leg of the LED touching the negative side of the battery. Our current batteries are not sustainable, but in the future we may be using chlorophyll-inspired molecular batteries inspired by photosynthesis.